Good morning, everyone. East African Trader here. Today is October 14, 2021, 7:23 a.m. Eastern Time. Just gonna go over weekly analysis for gold and what I expect to see in the market coming week. I'm just gonna make this short and quick. So starting from the weekly, I want to start from the weekly and I want to show you what I see the market, right? So starting from weekly, we have a break and retest, uh, break and retest zone. Then price trying to make a bull run, in my opinion. So break and retest level here, right? A good key level you got here. Um, Another key level, uh, I don't really see unless I use this as future price level. Um, what I see is on the weekly, we got this, right? And we kind of see a breakout forming. But let's see. Okay, so price, in my opinion, is going a bull run because if you can see for the past, starting 2019, we got some strong run, bullish run. So I'm expecting to see kind of a bullish momentum as well. Moving on to the daily. So for the daily, um, we got our key level, our supply down here, right? I like to draw it on the body. We got our supply here. So we got our next target, but we also got our supply here, right? Because this strong bullish candle broke this market structure, this bullish candle, then uh made a retracement, then left shoulder, head, right shoulder, and then dropped. So for me, this is a key level. Um, this is a key. This is a key level. This is supply because it got retested here. This is a true supply. Um, okay, so price, in my opinion, right here, price broke out this level, right? Um, we also see this as well. So now, just see how it plays out. Cause now look, I was making that market structure move, then finally this candle broke this level, right? Holding resistance. If we go to the left, we can see this was a nice level, key level, like a break and retest. Um, but finally, this strong bullish candle broke and closed above this level. So for my entry, I have to see for a buy. Uh, Out of the four entries we use in East African Trader community, uh, the fourth one is I say to anticipate a bullish move. I have to see candle close above previous key level. Then the next opening candle should at least come retrace for continuation bullish move for a buy entry. So moving on, Price broke this level, but now rejecting the currently rejecting this level. So this level is a nice supply level. You see right here. Why? Because look, this key level is basically a break and retest level. So this strong bearish candle. If you went to weekly, you can see the candle. This candle broke this resistance, this support. I'm sorry. So it's basically a break and retest. So now hopefully this is what I want to see. I'll show you another demand on the 4 hour and 1 hour. You see where I expect price to retrace, or if price does not retrace back, I expect to see a bullish momentum, right? A bullish move, a buy, um, and I'll also tell my target. Let me go to 4 hour and show you. Okay, so moving on, 4 hour. This is the key level we've been talking about, right? Uh, and right here we got resistance. Right, we got a clean area from here, from down this wick until here. We got about 100 pips. Uh, that's a nice sell range for me. This clean candle, right? Okay, let me show you uh three demands in my opinion. But the first one, I don't really consider as a demand because it's on a key level. This is what I'm talking about, right? This indecision plus strong bullish candle broke this market structure right here. So this is my new demand. That's what I consider it. Also, we got some kind of rejection level here, right? Price did not break through this level, continued bullish on the retest. So we can mark this as our uh, support as well. Moving on, the reason why this candle closed above this key level, as I said earlier, for me, this move indicates there's a demand level down here. For me, that's how I see the market. And again, um, my third demand. Why? Because look, break of structure right here. This resistance, this holding resistance, right? This holding key level of resistance. If you draw it to the left, you can see as well. It got broken with this strong bullish candle, retested, then continued bullish candle. But for this bullish one, how could you be a part of this move? In my opinion, this is how I trade. For the golden zone retracement entry, you see how sniper that was on a 50%. This was your first entry. I barely took a trade last week, so I wasn't able to take this trade. But just to just to keep this short, this was your first entry, retracement trades, right? For a trending market, I always say for a trending market, the retracement, this retracement is usually the 50%. That's where you get your sniper entries, right? Or the breakout entry. The breakout, but the breakout entry has to be on two cases. One, create market structure uh, to or create a market structure or uh, candle should close full body above the resistance or support if it's a sell support, or just to keep this short, key level. This is my two main things I see. um, for if I miss the retracement trade, I have to see. I'll take the breakout entry. So just keep on applying this this knowledge, I would say, or the strategies I use. Right? And uh, keep your eyes out for this level. Um, so for this, keep it as a demand level, but at the same time a key level, right? Key level. So for gold, let me tell you a secret. If there is a broken market structure or a key level on the left, and if you create a new demand, I mean, a new support or resistance, and that support or resistance has a demand level, I would say 80% of the time, price retraces back to this level. Most definitely back to this level. So this is what you gotta see. The first retracement should be here, expecting, or down here, or continuing down here, or down here, right? Or even like on this trend line. But this is what I expect for the market for a sell. I'm talking about a sell. For a sell, price has to close below this wick. I'm on a 4 hour, but okay, let me go to 1 hour and make this clear. Price has to close below this close, then the continuation candle, you can enter on the continuation candle or wait for kind of retracement, backed kind of retracement like this, like 50% retracement or full retracement back to the key level for a break and retest. That's what I would consider a sell. Okay, for a buy. Okay, let's go in for a buy. So we clearly identified our what you call it, key level, right? But apart from these, I'm gonna show you another pattern that I used, which is, you see this. Also, you can use this, right? But this won't help. Uh, Probably right here. This was the buy that I took, breakout entry. So now, when talking about um, when talking about a buy, a buy based analysis, we talked about sells, right? Then let's talk about buys, right? So for buys, we know this is a supply zone, right? I'm expecting a sell, but for a buy, I have to see this one. Price is on a break and retest level now. right here. Let me clear this. Okay. Price is now on a key level, right? Right here. We got holding resistance here that got rejected as a double top from here. Came back, then came back for a retracement back to the zone, then broke this key level, kind of broke it, came back, retested, right? 30 minutes clear. So my expectation is this. I have to see price above this. So where's the okay? I can't really draw. Okay, so price has to do this. Close full body, candle. The candle has to close full body above this key level, above this previous wick. But if you look to the left, there's also a wick here. So it has to close above this wick. If you go down to the left on H1, and let's go to H4. Price already broke this level. We gotta see. Yes, this is what I'm talking about. No, I mean this, right? So price has to close above this uh, with a strong bullish candle. Cause look, price is now on the key level. Price is now on a key level. What key level? If you go, okay, on a 4 hour, we can see. I'll show you a break and retest level, right? Right here. We got a break and retest level. At the same time, we got a supply level that broke this structure. So let me remove this for clarity. So for now for me, my levels are this. This is my level, right? Let me go to 1 hour. Then I will finish. So now we know price is at 1864, right? So it's somewhere around here. So now I have to see price close above this, above this. It has to close above this, or price can come, retest, then reject back to this level. That's another option. But we talked about sell, so let's just talk about buys. So price has to close above this bullish candle, above this. If price breaks this level and comes back for a retest, the best entry is the retest entry. I always say this. So the best entry can be the retest, right? I'm just saying. So the best entry is the retest, or if you happen to catch the candle as soon as it closes, and most of the time it comes back for a retracement, I would enter the 50% of this candle of the retracement. First target, second target, First target, if price continues bullish, that's good. But we have holding, um, as you can see, break and retest here too. So we got some kind of key level around here. So we have to see actually price break this and coming back at least for a kind of retracement down here, then to continue to this key level, right? If it breaks above this, it's gonna go to supply. So basically equal highs. Then if price breaks this, probably wait for a fake out, then sells, right? That's what usually gold does when it does fake out. Is we got equal highs and lows, right? Equal highs and lows, then kind of makes a fake out, then it goes to the intended direction. So this is what I have for today. Uh, hope it was helpful. See you guys on the next analysis, weekly analysis. Take care. God bless.